I'm gonna start by saying this. Taking care of your skin as a man is not girly or gay. It's actually very manly, and since men don't generally wear makeup, it can be harder to hide imperfections. So it's even more important to have naturally great skin. Healthy skin not only makes you more appealing, it gives you confidence. So if you're wondering how to get good skin, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share tips inspired by Korean skincare routine that you can take to make your skin so clear and luminous that it almost looks like glass. The Koreans basically invented glass skin. They don't play when it comes to their skin. They curate and stick to a strict routine to look as translucent and dewy as possible. I'm gonna let you know up front, it takes work to get glass skin. If you want your skin to not only look healthy, but be healthy, you need to follow a strict routine which includes cleansing, exfoliating, adding vitamins, humectants, minerals, fatty acids, and sun protection to your skin. Now, do you need to follow a heavily regimented 10-step skincare routine to get glass skin? No. It's not about the steps, it's about doing whatever it takes to get your skin to look its best. But before we get into all the steps you need to take, let's talk about what glass skin really is and how to spot it. Glass skin is skin that's simply luminous and poreless with a flawless complexion. Men's skin needs just as much proper care as women's skin. A proper routine is essential in keeping your skin healthy. You need a routine that addresses acne, dryness, hyperpigmentation, sensitivity, and delays signs of aging. So let's get into it. Step 1. Feed your skin. Let's start with the food you should eat and avoid eating. The mistake most men make is that they focus on the skincare routine only without paying attention to what they're feeding their body. Some foods that work wonders for your skin, like carrots, walnuts, avocados, pumpkins, and tomatoes. If you're an avid watcher of my videos, then this isn't the first time you're hearing me talk about tomatoes. Tomatoes are basically superfoods for your skin. They contain lycopene, an antioxidant that has anti-aging properties. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, also an antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage and prevents free radicals. Walnuts contain vitamins E and B5. They protect your skin and feed your skin from within. Walnuts also increase collagen production in your body, which makes your skin strong and gives you that youthful glow. Avocados are high in minerals, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them superfoods like tomatoes. Avocados help tighten your skin and make it supple. Avocados also reduce the appearance of pores and improve your overall skin tone. Finally, pumpkins have a lot of antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and minerals. It also has high levels of zinc, which help your skin form new skin cells. So start incorporating some of these into your diet and you'll see a major improvement in your skin. As for foods you should stay away from to get glass skin, alcohol, anything that has been deep fried, anything with high sugar content, cheese, and even coffee. So yes, it's time to break that coffee addiction. Step 2, hydrate your skin. If you're still doubting the magic that water can do for your skin, you haven't been spending enough time on this channel. I suggest you fix that by binge watching all our videos and subscribing to this channel. Anyways, back to hydration. If you drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water per day, your skin will have a luminous, blinding glow. This is because water flushes your skin impurities and leaves room for new skin cells to thrive. Step 3, skincare routine. This last step is probably the most important in your journey to getting glass skin. These are basically the steps you apply over your skin and in what order, with some examples of products that have proved to work well. Morning skincare routine. Double cleansing. The first step in achieving glass skin is double cleansing. You're probably already familiar with cleansing, but according to Korean skincare routine, you need to take it a step further and double cleanse. This is because you need a super clean canvas if you want glass skin. And how best to ensure that than by cleansing twice. First with an oil-based cleanser, followed by a water-based cleanser. The oil-based cleanser will remove any oil and sunscreen residue from your face. And for that, I recommend the iUnique Calendula Complete Cleansing Oil. It is made with 94% natural oils without any harmful chemicals and ingredients that will irritate your skin and lead to breakouts. After you're done with the oil cleanser, you can go over your face with the water-based cleanser. And for that, use any of the cleansers we've discussed before. Pro tip, don't use hot water to cleanse your face and avoid scrubbing your face as that will dry your skin. Instead, massage the cleanser into your face in a circular motion. You can use lukewarm or cold water to rinse your skin after cleansing. Exfoliate your skin. While it's important to exfoliate your skin, don't overdo it. Limit your exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week. Anything more than that and you'll be damaging your skin barrier. I prefer chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs over face scrubs. Face scrubs are too aggressive and can cause micro tears in your skin. AHAs and BHAs, however, work by dissolving dead skin cells without damaging the skin. I use the Isotree Chestnut 2% BHA Clear Liquid. It is one of the best chemical exfoliants on the market and will unclog and shrink your pores, smooth and even out your skin tone, in addition to removing dead skin cells. You can also try the Ordinary's AHA BHA peeling solution if you're unable to get the first one. Use a moisturizing essence. Essences are the heart of Korean skincare routines for a reason. They are a key step to achieving glass skin, and because they don't contain alcohol, they don't strip your skin. Some people use toner and essence interchangeably, while others use both together in the same routine. Essence can brighten your skin, even your skin tone, and provide anti-aging benefits. There are 2 essence products I recommend: the COSRX Snail 96 Power Mucin Essence and Dr. Sarakel Vegan Kombucha Tea Essence. Either will be great for your skin. Follow it up with an ampule. If you've never heard of it, this is a Korean skincare product that you absolutely need to get. An ampule is basically a potent concentration of good ingredients that help you achieve glass skin. They're generally more powerful than moisturizers because they're concentrated and have a liquid texture. Some people even switch moisturizers out for ampules completely. Products like the Axis Y Artichoke Ampule or the Innisfree Retinol Cica Ampule will strengthen your skin as well as nourish and heal your skin, leaving you with healthy and happy skin. Use a moisturizing cream. To seal up all the good stuff you fed your face, apply a moisturizer. For moisturizer, I recommend the Pacific Fresh Herb Origin Cream or Dr. Jat Cicapair Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. These moisturizers do it all. They deeply hydrate your skin while repairing damaged skin, and they also provide brightening and anti-aging properties. Sunscreen. I don't have to remind you that you have to wear sunscreen daily, even when the sun is not out, even during the winter. If you don't, all the good work you've done will go to waste. Night skincare routine. For nighttime, you should keep your skincare routine simple. Cleanser, retinol, moisturizer, lip balm. Basically repeating the morning skincare routine, except this time, use retinol instead of sunscreen. If you don't have retinol in your skincare routine, go out right now and get it. Retinol reduces fine lines and wrinkles, unclogs pores, improves skin texture, reduces acne, and fades dark spots. I personally use the Olay Regenerous Retinol. Retinol can be strong for your skin, so if you have sensitive skin, use retinol and moisturizers every alternate day. At this point, I'm going to stress that none of these products will work overnight. You have to stick with it consistently for 2 to 3 months before you start seeing any difference. But if you do stick with it to the end like you've stuck with this video, I promise you'll get luminous, dewy glass skin. That's all for this video.